Okay, I hope this comes out. There it goes. This is the vehicle. I'm trying to record as little as possible because the file is too big. So I pull over to the left. He's in the middle lane. I pull over to the left again. There's no cameras in that lane, and that's where the impact is. As you can see, there was no indication, no nothing. He just pulled out. Now, watch who gets out and is actually driving. This is the guy that was actually arguing with me about insurance, but the driver gets out and he does absolutely no talking. And that's when the camera stops. I switch off my engine then. A few minutes later they get in the car and drive off after I was speaking to the police.